Hi everyone, Anne Bounty from Said With Love, and welcome back to the month 9, block 9 reveal for the Barn Star Sampler Quiltalong. We are getting so close to the end. It's so exciting. I've got more to talk about that on the tips and tricks video next week, but I just wanted to show you my block 9s, and to quickly show you, here is the first one that I was doing whilst I was doing the tips and tricks video. I love this one. I love this dragonfly print. I can't get enough of it, and I've tried to sort of fussy cut the flowers as well. It's really bright and lovely and got lots of beautiful pinks in it. And so the second one, I used my hippo print from Chula Pink's Everglow, and here it is. So again, I've fussy cut the hippos, and I put that lovely pinky flower with the lovely bits of the gold to get to the golds, or that greeny gold from the edges as well. And I love this one. I think this is gorgeous. Here I am out in the garden taking photos of block 9s. Beautiful gardens of the house, the sun's shining. Spring has sprung, all the flowers are starting to come out, just beautiful. So how have you been finding it? So this was the peony block, and it had that little border around the outside, but I chose not to do that, and so I resized the block a little bit, and really happy that I did, because just gives me a bigger print for some of these side ones. So let me know in the comments whether you did the same, whether you increased the size of those center components to get to your slightly bigger block. And that was the last of the mid-size blocks. So from now on, we're on to all of the smaller blocks, including the really, really small ones near the end. What are they, like 4 inches or something? Let me just double check. So we've got some 8-inch ones to go. Oh, that's right. And then the last lot are all the little 4-inch blocks. So getting very, very close. So next week I'm going to show you my layout again and talk about all the different little blocks and what I've done to select the fabrics for those and to get them sort of making my quilt a little bit more cohesive. So I can't wait to see what you guys are doing and how you're going with these sort of last of these medium sized blocks. Just a quick update. Quilt behind me was from our Sew a Jelly Roll Day sew-along last weekend before. I don't know, time's sort of flying. My rainbow slider quilt, and I've done this in Bonnie and Camille. So it's got the green, navy, aqua, red, and out of camera shot is then pink and another little bit of green. So that was just a lot of fun. Lots of girls joined in, had little sew days together and stuff. So I think that was good. So this one's now going on the to be quilted pile, which is a little bit large at the moment, so hopefully I'll get some of those to show you soon. What else have I been doing? Next sew along is for Stitch Pink in October for breast cancer awareness, and it's the Adore Kit by Camille Ross Kelly. Let me just grab that out for you and show it. This is the actual Moda boxed kit that was available and has just been out into shops. Sadly, all of mine have already been pre-sold, but you can get the pattern from Camille from her shop, her online shop, as a PDF or paper if you're in the States. And Light-Hearted Fabric is also available in shops now. I've got a little bit of yardage left, but no pre-cuts left. Sorry, but this kit is fantastic. It's got all the fabrics that you need, and including the pattern. That's what the pattern looks like. And let me just show you what some of these fabrics look like. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm going to try and sew along. Had a bit of a commission come up quite recently, and it's got a very tight time frame. So I'm going to be sewing that as a priority first, hoping to be able to get to a little bit of the Adore kit. So that's, let me just pop that back in there without breaking everything. So month 9, block 9, sew sampler. Hope you enjoy making it, and can't wait to see it all in the Facebook and Sew Along group.